Hey guys, good morning from North Carolina, Sterling Village. So here is the Smith Farm. So I try to share with you guys like early morning, about 6 o'clock at North Carolina. Here on the road, really empty, guys. Um, Look at that. Okay. Um, you can hear the bird sound. Okay. Try to share all this with you guys here. Hear that? It's beautiful in the morning at the farm. Quiet, so peaceful. So let's take a look on that views after they cut the haze. This the second time here they grow. The first one, they cut it on May already, but this was the second one. A beautiful plant too, right? You enjoy with nature, guys. Here you can see a little white flower, white. Yeah, here so beautiful. Oh, you can breathe with me, all right? Okay, just take a look, refresh your mind, and take a deep breath out and breathe in. And listen to all the kind of natures and see all the nature. Just put into your mind, and you can feel very peacefully, a peace of mind, the inside. You can hear the call sound on the countryside. Well, I really love the farm. The farm really peaceful in the morning. Alright guys, I think that's all about it. We'll see you guys on the next video. And thank you for your watching. Before you leave, please give me support. Just subscribe one. If you need to watch more video like this, please click the bell and you will get the next video upload when I post it. We'll see you guys in the next video. My name Michael Mark. Bye now. You guys have a wonderful day. Alright?